Air travel is changing faster than ever, and one small mistake with your carry-on bag could now lead to delays, fines, or even missed flights. In today's video, the focus is on new carry-on rules for 2026. Don't get caught at TSA. Explaining what travelers must know before heading to the airport under the latest TSA enforcement standards. Stay till the end so nothing important is missed. And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for future travel updates. Rule 8. Smart luggage. Battery restrictions are now stricter. Smart carry-on luggage with built-in lithium batteries is now under much tighter TSA control in 2026. Airlines and airport authorities have raised concerns about battery-related fire risks, especially during flights with high passenger volumes. As a result, any carry-on bag that contains a non-removable battery is likely to be flagged during screening. Even premium or brand-name smart bags are not exempt from this rule. TSA officers are instructed to deny passage to bags where the battery cannot be detached instantly. In many cases, travelers are given only two options at the checkpoint: either remove the battery immediately or leave the bag behind. This rule is being enforced more aggressively at international terminals and busy U.S. hubs, where safety audits are stricter. Travelers who rely on GPS tracking luggage or USB charging bags must double-check that the battery module is detachable and compliant with airline watt-hour limits before arriving at the airport. Rule 7. Advanced liquid screening has changed what gets flagged. Carry-on liquid screening is no longer based only on bottle size in 2026. TSA has rolled out advanced CT scanners with AI-powered detection systems at many airports, allowing liquids to be analyzed chemically without opening the container. While some airports may allow larger liquid volumes, this does not mean liquids are automatically approved. Any liquid that appears inconsistent with its label, density, or chemical signature may trigger secondary inspection. Items like cosmetics, gels, medical creams, baby food, and protein shakes are now frequently pulled aside for manual checks. Even duty-free liquids purchased after security can be stopped during connecting flights. Travelers should expect more bag scans and occasional delays if liquids are packed loosely or mixed with electronics. Keeping liquids clearly separated and properly labeled is becoming increasingly important to avoid delays or confiscation. Rule 6. Power bank and electronic limits are more enforced. Portable chargers and electronic devices in carry-on bags are facing stricter watt-hour enforcement in 2026. TSA and airlines are now sharing data more closely, allowing security teams to identify high-capacity power banks that exceed approved limits. Any power bank above airline-approved watt-hour thresholds may be confiscated without warning, even if it was allowed in previous years. Carry-on bags containing multiple chargers, spare batteries, or high-output devices are also more likely to be flagged for inspection. Travelers carrying laptops, cameras, drones, or gaming devices should be aware that older batteries showing signs of swelling or damage may result in immediate removal. This rule is being applied consistently to reduce fire hazards during flight, especially in overhead compartments. Carrying manufacturer specifications or choosing airline-approved battery sizes is now essential for smooth screening. Rule 5. Carry-on bag. Weight checks are making a comeback. Weight limits for carry-on bags are being quietly reintroduced and enforced in 2026. While TSA focuses on security rather than airline policies, many U.S. and international airlines are coordinating with gate staff to check carry-on weight before boarding. Bags that appear oversized or overly heavy may be weighed at the gate, even if they meet size requirements. Overloaded carry-ons can be forced into last-minute gate checking, sometimes with additional fees. This change is aimed at reducing injuries to cabin crew and preventing overhead bin damage. Travelers packing dense items like electronics, books, or toiletries are most affected by this rule. Distributing weight evenly or using lightweight luggage is becoming increasingly important to avoid boarding issues. Being prepared for unexpected weight checks can save time, money, and frustration. Rule 4. Food items in carry-on bags are being scrutinized more closely. Food packed inside carry-on bags is now one of the most common reasons for TSA delays in 2026. While solid food is generally allowed, TSA officers are increasingly stopping bags that contain dense or mixed food items. Items such as spreads, sauces, chutneys, dips, gravies, yogurt, peanut butter, and semi-liquid meals are now treated as liquids during screening. Many travelers are surprised to see homemade food or culturally common items flagged and removed. Even neatly packed meals can trigger bag checks if the scanner cannot clearly identify the contents. Additionally, international travelers carrying food through U.S. airports may face extra scrutiny due to agricultural and biosecurity rules. Keeping food simple, solid, and clearly visible inside the bag reduces the chance of delays or confiscation at the checkpoint. Rule 3. Clothing and accessories can trigger secondary screening. Certain clothing items and accessories inside carry-on bags are now frequently triggering secondary TSA screening. Thick jackets, layered scarves, belts with heavy buckles, shoes with metal components, and clothing containing hidden pockets can cause scanners to flag carry-on luggage. In 2026, TSA is using more sensitive imaging technology designed to detect concealed objects, which means bags containing tightly rolled clothing or bundled accessories are more likely to be inspected. Items such as jewelry organizers, compact mirrors, and metal thread garments may also slow down screening. Travelers who pack in an overly compressed manner often face delays because scanners struggle to distinguish items clearly. Packing clothing in a simple and organized way helps reduce unnecessary bag checks and speeds up the screening process. Rule 2. Medication and medical devices require clear declaration. Carry-on rules for medication and medical devices are stricter and more structured in 2026. Prescription medicines, liquid medications, syringes, inhalers, and medical equipment are allowed. But TSA now expects clearer separation and visibility during screening. Medications packed loosely among toiletries or electronics are more likely to be questioned. Unlabeled containers or pills stored outside original packaging may trigger additional verification. Medical devices with batteries, wires, or electronic components are also scanned more carefully under updated safety protocols. Travelers are advised to keep medical items easily accessible and clearly identifiable to avoid delays. While TSA accommodates medical needs, proper organization is now essential to ensure smooth passage through security. Rule 1. Randomized manual bag checks are increasing. The biggest carry-on change in 2026 is the sharp rise in random manual bag inspections. Even bags that pass scanner checks may be selected for physical inspection without any visible issue. TSA has expanded randomized screening as part of broader national security measures, especially during peak travel seasons. These checks are not based on passenger appearance or destination, but are generated by system algorithms and officer discretion. Travelers should be prepared for unexpected bag openings and additional questioning. Items that were previously ignored may now be examined more closely, including cables, chargers, notebooks, and personal accessories. Staying calm and allowing extra time at the airport is now more important than ever, as these inspections are becoming a routine part of air travel rather than a rare occurrence. Airport security rules are evolving rapidly, and understanding carry-on regulations before arriving at the terminal can prevent stress, delays, and costly mistakes. Following the updated rules for 2026 helps ensure smoother screening and a more comfortable travel experience from start to finish. Stay informed, pack smart, and travel prepared so the journey begins on the right note.